welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here today, and thank you for joining us for another round of Pouring Coast to Coast. For those of you who follow me, I haven't done a video for a while. I apologize. I have been dealing with some health issues, so I've been out of my studio for a little bit. But I'm back now. I should be putting videos out steadily. So today's challenge was set by Britta, and it was a no challenge challenge. So I actually decided to go back and do what the ladies did 2 weeks ago, which was the Sunset Colors Challenge set by Amber Goodwin. And I was super bummed that I didn't get to do that because who doesn't love a good sunset? So here's my sunset video.
Here we are with the Sunset palette. So I've got some drips that were saved from other pours that were strained. I have Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. This is a cloud mix, and I honestly can't remember what recipe I used for this, so I apologize for that. This is also drips that have been saved from other pours. Here I have Pearl Rose from Arteza, and then from Golden I have Iridescent Gold and Burnt Orange, Quinacridone Burnt Orange, and then from Blick I have Cadmium Yellow. And then I have backups of all this, but I just have it in these smaller cups so it's easier for me to control.
Okay, so I am working today on a 24-inch wood round. Now, I've used this before. I didn't love the painting that was on it, so I just did a quick coat of gesso over it, and that's where I'm starting from now. And because of time constraints, I am having to speed everything up a little bit today. But I feel like most of what I'm doing here is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to turn some music on and let you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please put them in the discussion area below, and I would be happy to answer any questions you have.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. golden, golden, golden things. Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. Our ears still ringing with the sound. We were floating off the ground. I still feel it even now.
I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded, smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been
And
strong
here we are with the final result.
so
I am super happy with
long.
this. Now this area will dry a little bit darker, but the texture is going to remain the same. And I love how you have this more subtle area of sunset coming down into this more dramatic area. Love how that turned out. And then the leafy foreground. I think this is just a really nice piece. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, I hope you guys all have just a wonderful holiday season. Make sure you stick around for Tracy. She's up next. Thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Take care.